Introduction to FocusMe and Distraction-Free Work.
FocusMe is a productivity app designed to help you concentrate by reducing interruptions. One powerful feature is the ability to automatically mute notifications during focus sessions. This ensures you won't be distracted by pop-ups, messages, or reminders, allowing you to dedicate your attention to what matters most. Let's explore how to set up this valuable function.
Accessing notification settings in FocusMe.
To begin, open the FocusMe app and navigate to its settings menu. Look for a section labeled Notifications or Distraction Controls. Here, you'll find tools to manage how the app interacts with alerts from other programs and system notifications. This is where you'll set up automatic muting to prevent interruptions during your work sessions.
Setting up automatic notification muting.
Within the Notifications section, enable the option to mute notifications during focus sessions. FocusMe may prompt you for permission to control system notifications, especially on Windows or Mac. Grant this permission if needed. The app will then be able to temporarily silence most notifications whenever a focus session is active.
Customizing which notifications are muted.
FocusMe often lets you choose which types of notifications to mute. For example, you can silence all alerts or allow certain essential messages to come through. Configure the settings to match your preferences. This customization ensures you won't miss anything truly important while still keeping distractions at bay.
Starting a focus session and enjoying silence.
After setup, start a focus session as usual through FocusMe. The app will automatically mute your chosen notifications for the duration of your session. Once the timer ends, notifications will resume. This seamless silencing helps create an uninterrupted, productive environment whenever you need to concentrate.
Final tips for maximum focus.
Remember to periodically review your notification preferences as your needs change. Pairing FocusMe's muting feature with scheduled breaks and clear goals can make your focus sessions even more effective. With the right setup, you'll be able to work deeply and consistently, free from unwanted distractions.